Hello, Reynolds family. Today is Monday, March 29th, 2021. Welcome to episode 9 of our Tech Training Roundup series. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Kim.
And we make up technology training services here at Reynolds Community College. We hope you're navigating this spring semester well and are staying healthy this time of year. A few notes and reminders to make. All websites and videos referenced here will be linked in the video description below for your convenience. Please visit our Tech Training tutorial page for video tutorials and guides that address common questions on many of the software applications used at Reynolds. If this support material does not provide answers, please reach out to us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu rather than email either of us directly. This allows us to tag team and track common issues to serve you more efficiently.
Our quick access guide is still available to assist instructors with their online courses. This guide can be found on the Technology Training Services homepage and contains essential information for both the Canvas LMS and Zoom. This guide provides resources which include Canvas 24-hour phone and chat support, as well as Reynolds faculty online mentors, divided by school, and includes contact information. Please become familiar with the Student Technology Support page located on the reynolds.edu website. There are multiple support resources available to students on applications they will be using at Reynolds.
This week's news alert concerns Canvas's March 20th update, which saw several new features pushed out. Some of these include assignment webcam submissions, course availability date enhancements, new quizzes support and modules, file preview enhancements in the rich content editor, and SpeedGrader submission reassignments. Let's take a brief look at this last feature, SpeedGrader submission reassignments. Instructors now have the ability to provide feedback and reassign an assignment with a due date to an individual student directly from the SpeedGrader. The instructor must first provide feedback on the assignment in order to enable the Reassign Assignment button. The Reassign Assignment button is not available for external LTI tools, such as McGraw-Hill, Cengage, and others, on paper, and no submission assignments. And it is only available for assignments with due dates. When assignment is reassigned, students see the assignment in the list view dashboard with the instructor's feedback. Students can resubmit the assignment and submit for additional feedback from their instructor. For a detailed summary of the entire Canvas March 20th update, please visit the Canvas Community Release Notes webpage. Link found in the video description below. And now for the Tech Training Tip of the Week.
Over the past year, we've learned many ways to work, learn, and teach virtually with Zoom. As we continue to work remotely, and even as we return to campus in the coming months, scheduling virtual office hours can be beneficial to students, faculty, and staff. Whether a faculty member is on or off campus, their student can meet with them virtually from any location. Faculty who integrate the virtual meeting during office hours expand the opportunities for students to meet without including a commute to campus. Students are also able to utilize Zoom to schedule meetings with other students for group projects or study sessions. And finally, staff and administrators can schedule brief meetings when a commute between campuses or buildings wouldn't necessarily be advantageous. Please see the Zoom Virtual Office Hours Best Practice document linked below in the description. These best practices are not a rule book, but rather a guide for office hours purpose, setup and scheduling, and sharing. For faculty and staff, this guide can be found on our Tech Training tutorial page by clicking the Zoom link. A copy of this document is available for students through the Zoom icon located on the Reynolds Student Technology Support page.
And that's your Tech Training Tip of the Week. If you have any tip suggestions yourself, or if you have any questions or troubleshooting issues, please feel free to email us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu.
This is Kim
And Kevin.
Signing out. Be safe.
Be well.
And we'll see you in the next Tech Training Roundup video after Kevin becomes a father.